Hello, this is a screencast to show you how to make a screencast using Screencastify. Now, as you can see, I have managed to download the extension to Google Chrome because this is compatible with Google Chrome. And all I have to do then is click on Screencastify, and I can use my microphone. I can embed the webcam, which means you have the small screen of myself speaking in the bottom. And what else? Well, I just have to record. I can choose whether to use just the browser tab, which means all I'm going to do is to record my screen, the search engines such as Google or whatever, so the actual web page, or I'm going to use my entire desktop. If I use my entire desktop, it means that I can actually use documents, but it's always advisable to cover up all of the things on your screen that you don't want other people to see because they will become public. Okay, so now I'm going to record, and there you see I'm using all my screen. You can see all my folders there, but never mind. And I'm going to click on it, share it, gives me the countdown, goes peep pop pop, and now I'm recording. So I'm recording my screen, blah 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 blah, and I talk about what I want to do. I'm going to put up this PDF about chocolate crinkles recipe. I can underline things and so on, explain whatever I have to do because a screencast is instructional. It's like a presentation. And I can go to my website. You have to have everything organized ahead of time, ahead of schedule, so that everything's at your fingertips and you can just pick up the one by one the documents that you want to show. You have a time limit of 5 minutes, so you have to be quite to the point, and it might take several goes before you get it right. However, any more than 5 minutes is really far too long for anybody to pay attention. So it's good to have that limitation. And then when I think I've finished, I don't know if there's a way for the controls to be more visible, but I just go to the same place. And as you can see, it tells me that I can put it in the bin, I can do it again, I can pause it, or if I'm, will need to find something and then put it online again, or I can stop. So when I stop the recording, let's see what happens. Oh, I seem to just stop. But it should, there we go. It should then take me to my video details, and it will show me. I can click to unmute it and listen to my voice explaining everything. You see the video, you see the whole screen, and it gets very confusing when you see this on your screen and you think that it's actually there, but it's actually just a recording. Then you can publish it to YouTube, or you can get a code, or you send it in an email. You can embed it in Classroom because it's Google compatible. Get a QR code to watch it, or download it. What I do, I download it, and you've got the MP4 audio only, so I download it as an MP4 document, and I also publish it to YouTube. I download it as MP4 just in case something goes wrong and I don't want to lose it. But I have a Gmail account. Everybody has a Gmail account, and as a result, you also have YouTube because it's one of the many things that you have: Google Drive, YouTube, and so on. So you can publish it there, and then you can get the link and link it on the Moodle platform or wherever you do. Of course, how to record and save on YouTube might be another tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording now. This gets very confusing. I'm using another screencast application to record the screencast, so it gets a bit kind of intertextual, I guess you could say. Now I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop the other screencast and explain how that one works.